Welcome to Hytera, Indonesia, where innovation meets excellence in communication technology. When entering our new office, you will be greeted by a photo wall with a large Hytera logo depicting the company's identity. Next to it, there is a company profile display, which provides a comprehensive overview of Hytera and its achievements. Our Wall of Honor displays the awards Hytera has won over the years, as well as the various success stories we have completed in Indonesia and around the world. Our main workspace is designed with an open concept, providing a spacious atmosphere and supporting teamwork. Here, ideas flow freely in a dynamic and energizing environment. Our manager's office is an important decision-making place designed to create a calm and productive workspace with a combination of comfort and professionalism. This section is the centerpiece of our office. Designed with an interaction-based approach to provide an immersive experience in exploring Hytera's latest products, as innovative and cutting-edge solutions to improve communication efficiency and security in various industries. The showroom also serves as a training center to empower partners with the skills and resources they need. Our main meeting room provides an environment that supports strategic discussions and innovation. Equipped with modern technology, this room ensures every meeting is smooth and productive. This room reflects our commitment to quality and reliability. This dedicated space is designed to provide prompt and efficient services for both routine maintenance and necessary repairs. By minimizing downtime, we ensure that our customers' communication systems remain reliable and fully operational. We also provide a prayer room to support the spiritual fulfillment of our team. Hytera upholds respect for culture and religion. Our pantry is a cozy place to relax for a moment, enjoy a cup of coffee, or have a casual conversation with colleagues. Hytera Indonesia's office is designed to support innovation and teamwork, with a focus on providing the best communication solutions.